Well, the fight against the opioid crisis in South Carolina is heating up. Attorney General Alan Wilson announcing a new lawsuit today against 3 out of the state distributors. Now, the Attorney General says today he hopes to hold these companies responsible for their part in the opioid crisis.
Fox Carolina's Carrie Weimer is in Columbia with more on that announcement.
That's right, Cody. So those 3 companies that the lawsuit names are McKesson Corporation, Cardinal Health Incorporated, and AmeriSourceBergen. And now, according to the AG, he says that all 3 combined brought in a collective amount of 2.2 billion opioid pills into South Carolina. The Attorney General announced today his office is in phase 2 of the war on opioid addiction.
I am here to announce today that South Carolina is filing a lawsuit against 3 companies that distribute opioid drugs.
This is the second part of legal action the state has taken on drug companies. Back in 2017, the AG's office filed a lawsuit against Purdue Pharma. That case is expected to be in court in 2020.
These companies violated the South Carolina Unfair Trade Practices Act and created a public nuisance by illegally flooding our state with millions of opioids.
According to recent reports from DHEC, out of the 3 major metro areas in South Carolina, Greenville saw the highest increase in opioid-related deaths by almost 80% in 2018.
Deaths due to drug overdose and deaths related specifically to opioids increased in South Carolina. We lost 1,103 people in our state to drug overdose deaths last year, which is up 10% from 2017.
The AG's office says the addiction crisis has been developing over 2 decades, and they aren't going to turn it around overnight.
Opioids are legal medications that a lot of people legitimately rely on for pain relief. But we also know that they are highly addictive, and that's why there are federal and state laws that govern them.
Now, we've reached out to all 3 companies named in the lawsuit, but we have not gotten a response yet. Live in Columbia, Carrie Weimer, Fox Carolina, the 5 o'clock news.